Morning students, I am Lakshmi Mari. I am taking third standard science subject. Today's our second topic is water. Today we are going to learn about the uses of water. Water is used for many different purposes. We use water to drink, bath, cook, food, wash and clean things. Plants need water to grow. Animals to need water to stay alive. Water is precious. We should save every drop of water. Earth is seen from space. It appears blue in color and is therefore also referred to as the blue planet. Water is needed for various purposes such as drinking, washing, cooking and growing plants. All living things need water to live and grow. We should save every drop of water. New words. First word is surface water. Meaning of surface water. Water found on the surface of the earth. Water found on the surface of the earth. Next word is groundwater. Meaning of groundwater. Rainwater that seeps inside the ground. Rainwater that seeps inside the ground. Next word is spring. Meaning of spring. A place where water comes out from an underground source. Next word is evaporation. Meaning of evaporation, the process of changing of water into water vapor due to heat. Next word is condensation. Meaning of condensation, the process of changing of water vapor into water when cooled. We will do exercises. First question, underline the correct word to complete each sentence. First sentence is all living things need soil or water to live. Correct answer is all living things need water to live. Water. Next, pond or rain is the main source of water on the earth. And the correct answer is rain is the main source of water on the earth. Third sentence, the water in ponds and lakes is called a surface water or groundwater. And the correct answer is surface water. The water in ponds and lakes is called a surface water. Fourth sentence, ice or water vapor is the solid form of water. And the correct answer is ice. Ice vapor is the solid form of water. Fifth sentence, water vapor is heavy or light. And the correct answer is light. Water vapor is light. Second question, tick the true statements and cross the false statements. First one is plants and animals do not need water, and this sentence is false. Second, water exists in two forms, ice and water vapor, and this sentence also false. Third sentence, the water present in ponds and called underground water. This sentence also false. Next, we dig wells to collect groundwater. Yes, this sentence true. Next, evaporation of water occurs due to the heat of the sun. This sentence also true. Next, answer the following questions in one sentence. First question, list the water bodies where we find surface water. And the answer is ponds, rivers, oceans and lakes have surface water. Second question, name the season during which we get rains. And the answer is we get rains during the rainy season. Third question, Which form of water will you find on mountain tops? And the answer is we find ice on mountain tops. Fourth question, what form clouds? And the answer is water droplets on cooling get collected and form clouds. Fifth question, why do plants need water? And the answer is plants need water to make food and grow. Answer the following questions in 2 to 3 sentences. First question is, what is the difference between surface water and groundwater? And the answer is surface water is water found on the surface of the earth. Groundwater is rainwater that has seeped inside the ground. Second question, name the season during which we get rains. And the answer is water is present on the earth in the liquid form. The heat of the sun and boiling of water changes into to water vapor. The water vapor cools down to turn back to water. When water is cooled further, ice is formed. Third question, define evaporation and condensation. And the answer is evaporation is the process of changing of water into water vapor due to heat, and condensation is the process of changing of water vapor into water when cooled. Fourth question, list a few uses of water in our daily lives. And the answer is we use water to drink, bath, cook food, wash and clean things. And the answer is we use water to drink, bath, cook food, wash and clean things. So students, now it's time to take the homework. Write the all question and answers from lesson number 2, water, in your science homework book and send on the WhatsApp. Thank you.